He's really enjoying it.
Yeah.
I had in Pakistan Labrador.
Oh, yeah. Labrador.
He learns much.
Is it?
Yeah. For hunting also.
Ah.
Yeah. I use him.
For hunting?
Partridge hunting and pigeon.
Ah.
Many more things. For example, you came to my ground and you stole something in the plant.
Oh, yeah.
And I saw there was my things.
Yeah.
Not there.
Oh.
Who took this one? And I called to my dog and mentioned that place.
Yeah.
He's excited.
He's excited because they don't know you.
So how old is the dog?
1 year, 8 months.
Okay, 1 year, 8 months.
No, not enough. No, he can, sit down.
Yeah, say to him, sit down.
Not at this time. Simba, come here. Treat. Yes.
He would.
Treat. Sit.
इधर सामने से आके बनाओ सब.
He's excited.
Yeah.
The moment you come close, he tries to run away. Bring him a treat. You want treat? You want treat? You want treat?
Sit down.
Sit. You don't walk. You want to go and walk? Oh, sit. Walk. He's going to walk. There's the lead. He brings the lead.
He brings. Say to him.
No, it's close. Lead is so inside.
No, put outside the lead and he catch and bring. That one is amazing thing.
Yeah, he's very excited when you bring that.
Yeah.
You know that I don't usually take him. When I say he's not serious, but when she says okay.
Simba.
You can't leave the fellow and go. When you try to go out, he says, oh, take me.
Yeah.
He's your
I'm his nephew.
nephew. Oh,
Yes.
He's student. Medical student.
Oh, right.
He completed his degree from China, PhD.
Oh.
Now his exam is here. Practice.
Oh, GD practice. Act 16. No, sorry. Come, Simba, come. Sit.
He's right. He's really excited.
Exactly. Yeah. Sit. Come.
Strangers, that's why.
Come.
How old is this?
Wait. There's something on your 8 months. Wait.
And
Wait.
you bought this one.
He's a cockapoo. Have you seen that TV series called Waffle? Waffle.
Yeah, I've heard about it, but I haven't.
Yeah, just like this.
Okay.